think it's a huge reality check to all Canadians that we need to fix access.
As anti-abortion protesters make their voices heard on the steps of the BC legislature, trying to reopen the debate on abortion,
it drives them wild because they say what? This conversation, this argument, it was over.
Those for whom the conversation is over, working to make what's legal easier to access.
There is a general sense among the Canadian public that because abortion was decriminalized in 1988, that being able to access abortion care should be easier.
It's not easy and often not even available, she says, outside of the largest cities, Vancouver, Toronto, Montreal.
Right now in British Columbia, people continue to face barriers when trying to access sexual and reproductive health services, whether that's people in rural and remote communities trying to access abortion services or people trying to get access to contraception.
Since changes south of the border are shining a spotlight on abortion here, there's pressure on elected officials to support policies that make choice secure and available.
Lots of politicians are stepping up and saying they support a right to an abortion. But what we don't see them doing is taking action.
Starting in 2018, abortion-inducing medication has been free at pharmacies across BC, which has reduced the need for surgical procedures. But for many, that is still a challenge.
Certainly there's more work to do, especially in rural and remote communities, but that's a huge reason why we made medical abortion universal and available and free.
New BC Liberal leader Kevin Falcon writing, "The party is steadfast in our commitment to supporting a woman's right to choose, but not making clear if he will require all their MLAs to support it."
If you support someone's right to choose and you support abortion, having a free vote on someone's fundamental rights is not acceptable, nor is allowing people who oppose a person's right to choose to continue in your caucus.
Taking that stand, though, can still be a political hot potato, despite it being more than 30 years since abortion was decriminalized in Canada.
It's part of the services that are outlined in the Canada Health Act.
In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.